welcome back to my channel. Starting up with the moisturizer, I'm using Embryology. Massage the moisturizer very well into the skin. I prefer using my fingers for this process for priming and prepping up the skin. Here I'm prepping her under eye with the Milagro Beauty's under eye essential oil. This will help in hydrating her under eyes. You can also go ahead and use baby oil. If you don't have the same product, just massage it well into the skin. Now I'm hydrating her skin with this CS Essential Skin Treat Face Oil and massaging it well. Now using Tarte Shape Tape in light medium on the eyelids. Make sure there are no lines, so just buff it in or just blend it nicely with your blender. Using my most favorite palette from Anastasia. It's called Soft Glam. I love this palette. Mixed burnt orange and orange soda from this palette. Add both these color to the crease line and blend it well. So the crease color is also known as the transition shade, and your transition shade should be blended to the point where you should not be able to see any fine lines because of the color that you've deposited. So make sure there are no harsh lines. Now here I'm mixing both the brown shades, the darker one and the lighter one. Place it on the center part of your eyelid using a flat brush. Now I'm mixing the darker shade with my transition shade using a blending brush. I have used a black eyeshadow for my liner instead of a gel liner or a liquid liner here, because I wanted a very blended and soft look. Now I've used a golden shimmer from the same palette and blending it using my fingers. Highlighting the inner corners of the eyes using this beautiful highlighter from the Balm Marie Luminizer. We've just adjusted the light and this looks so much better. And now I'm just going in with the brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in dark brown. Filling in the brows is literally therapeutic for me. Comment down if you feel the same, that you feel really good after filling in the brows, be it for yourself or for your friends or for your models. Filling in the first brow, and then I'll just go and fill in the second brow behind the camera. For primer, I'm using Professional by Benefit. This is literally one of the best primers if you have pores. I like massaging my primer into the skin in circular motions on the areas that are needed. I think it just gives you a better base to work on. For under eye correction, I've mixed an orange corrector and a peach corrector and applying it. Now I'm just buffing it in using a concealer brush from PAC Cosmetics. Just look at the difference after just correcting the eyes. I've not even concealed the under eyes right now. Now I'm just cancelling out all the pigmentation on her face using the same corrector. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade Butterscotch to conceal the under eyes and the areas where I have just put the corrector. Using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Tawny. I know my hand looks like a canvas, but that's how it works. I meant work. Highlighting the under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape. Blending in all the highlighted part. I like using the combination of a blender and concealer brush instead of just one thing. Blush is one of my favorite part. I'm using a liquid blush from O2O. Now using Chanel Beauty's loose powder. I am only going to powder her face on specific areas, not her complete face. Mainly under the eyes and on the areas where we tend to have laugh lines. This is just to prevent the fine lines creasing under the eyes or in the laugh line area. A blush is never enough, so I'm just mixing these two blushes. One is from Flower Beauty and the other is from Sivanna Colors. Now adding just a very light contour on her cheekbones using Hoola by Benefit. highlighting the high points of the face using Becca's Champagne Pop. Everyone knows this is one of the best highlighters in the world. Tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, and just a tad bit on your forehead. And just add some of it on your eyebrow bones as well. I have curled her lashes and I'm putting Forever 52 mascara using these disposable mascara wands from Nykaa. I believe it's very important to maintain a very high level of hygiene level if you're doing makeup on other people, and always wash your brushes after every use. I do that, and also your blenders. Now I've taken the darker shade and I've only put it here just till the middle point of the eye. And now I'm mixing both the transition shades that I had used and blending it all together. The best part about my model is that she's very pretty and she winks a lot. I can never use one single lipstick, so I've just mixed these two shades. And I'm again using Nykaa's lipstick wands. These are also disposable ones. I have added all the shade names and the brands that I've used in this video in the description box below. Please check that out. She felt so beautiful that she went on singing, "Kya karu main itni sundar hu to aap hi batao kya karu." Guys, follow her on Instagram. Her handle is Gunjan Dhingra and she is a bomb blogger. Now the part that comes next was the most difficult one, and I didn't know if I could do it or not, but we just went for it. We were like, let's see how it turns out, otherwise we'll just name the video something else. I'm using the Hoola bronzer for creating this unibrow look. I believe this was the signature look because of the unibrow for PADMAVATI. Honestly, we both were really scared how it's gonna turn out because we didn't want to spoil the base and everything, because it looked really good. But we had to try this, so we just went for it. I am just blending away all the lines using my blender and a clean brush and just, lightening it up. Thank you, Simran, for being my muse. You look magnificent, my love. Also, a big thanks to Chitali, my cousin, who just lended her jewelry to us for the shoot. And this is the final PADMAVATI look. I hope you guys liked it. And if you liked it, please do comment down and like this video. Share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon below to be updated about all the videos that I upload.